Thanks doesn't mean thanks. Thanks doesn't mean thanks. What does that mean? Well, welcome back to another episode of Mad English TV. Sometimes thanks doesn't mean thanks. Did you know that? In some situations, it doesn't mean thanks, right? So let's take a look at an example. Thanks to coffee, I can start my day at 6 a.m. every day. Okay, start my day. That just means begin your day. Start your work or wake up and get going, right? Sometimes when you wake up, you just feel really groggy. Oh, I'm so groggy. I just want to lie or lay. I was going to say I just want to lay in bed, but that's a mistake. The correct one is I just want to lie in bed. I want to lie in bed. That's a very common mistake, by the way. Native English speakers make that mistake all the time. Lay, they usually say lay when they mean lie. So I just caught myself making that mistake. I said I want to lay in bed, but no, the right answer is I want to lie in bed. When you feel really tired and your brain is not working properly, you can say I feel really groggy or sluggish. Usually when you feel groggy, you also feel sluggish. That means you move very slowly like a slug. A slug is an animal like a snail without a shell, and it moves very slowly. That's why we have the word sluggish. Talk about very slow moving behavior. Okay. Thanks to coffee, I can start my day every day at 6 a.m. How about you? Do you start your day at 6 a.m.? So thanks to coffee, right? I'm not saying thanks. I'm not thanking coffee. This means because of coffee. Did you know that? Smash like if you didn't know that, okay? So in this case, thanks means because of. Because of coffee, I can start my day at 6 a.m. every day, right? Because of. I'm not saying thank you to coffee. Now, I kind of am a little bit. In this situation, right? I mean, it's a good thing, right? But it can be used for good or bad things. We can say this, we can use the word thanks for bad things as well as good things because it doesn't mean thank you. It means because of. All right, let's look at some examples. Thanks to daylight saving time, I lost an hour of sleep. Daylight saving time? Here in Canada, most provinces have daylight saving time where the time moves either forward or back. Like once a year it moves forward, once a year it moves back, right? And so at that time when the time moves forward, you actually lose an hour of sleep. Right? Let's say you go to bed at midnight, then suddenly it's 1 a.m. and you lost that hour. Right? So this is a bad thing. Everybody always complains about it. I lost an hour of sleep thanks to daylight saving time. Right? So actually you're not thanking daylight saving time because something bad happened. You lost something. Right? Daylight saving time stole an hour from your sleep routine. That's bad. Right? So we're not saying thank you to daylight saving time. We're saying because of daylight saving time, right? Now, this is a little bit sarcastic. Like the reason we say thanks to means we are giving credit to that thing in like a sarcastic way for this, right? So, daylight saving time took an hour of sleep from us. And so kind of a sarcastic way to say it is this: thanks to daylight saving time, I lost an hour of sleep. All right, so we're saying because of daylight saving time. Thanks to Steve Jobs, we have iPhones. Right? Thanks to Steve Jobs, right? Because of Steve Jobs, remember Steve Jobs, who invented a lot of the Apple products like the iPhone. I don't know if he invented them, but I think it was his idea. I'm not sure. So thanks to Steve Jobs, we have iPhones, right? I mean, we're kind of thanking him. But what this means is we're saying because of Steve Jobs, we have iPhones. We're giving him credit, right? We're giving him kind of the, like the credit for doing this. There's a link between Steve Jobs and iPhones, right? It's because of him that we have iPhones. Do you have an iPhone? I'm recording this video on an iPhone. So thank you, Steve Jobs. All right, now this does not mean thank you. We cannot use the word thank you when we mean it in this way. We have to say thanks. So sometimes in English, when you words that are normally can be substituted in normal situations, sometimes they can't be substituted in some situations. This is one of those situations where you cannot say thank you. Like in normal situations, right? You can choose whether you want to say thanks or thank you. I could say thank you so much for smashing the like button. Or I could say thanks so much for smashing the like button. So I can choose what I want to say. But in this situation, I cannot say thank you. I have to say thanks, right? So thanks to global warming, our winters are milder, right? So I'm not thanking global warming. Well, maybe I should thank global warming because here in Canada, our winters are really cold and long. So if our winters are milder, then yeah, thank you, global warming. But in this sentence, I'm saying because of global warming or due to global warming, right? It's just whatever word you want to put here. It's because of this that this is happening, right? So because of or like due to global warming, our winters are milder. Thanks to her gossip, I lost my job. Okay, so there's this, you have a coworker, she's always gossiping, and she said something bad about you to the boss, and you lost your job, right? So thanks to her, or thanks to her gossip, I lost my job. So this is bad, right? You're not saying thank you to her. Realistically, you probably never want to see her again because she's the reason you lost your job. But we still say this. Thanks to gossip. Thanks to her gossip, I lost my job. I could say, thanks to your likes, this video will go viral. Thanks to your likes, this video will go viral. Thanks. Or I could say thank you. Here, this thanks means thank you. This thanks does not mean thank you. It means because of. Because of all your likes, this video will go viral. Thank you guys so much for all your likes. I really appreciate it. If you're new here to this channel, welcome. Hope you become one of my subscribers. And hope you're having a great day, guys. Hope you stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. As always, I love you so much. And I will see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.